Hello? Is this thing on? Oh, yeah. Hey, it's Chris Kid, and I'm back. Yes, I'm officially back for real. Uh, I've been working on the fucking PB. Wait, no. Wait, I mean, fucking PB. We continue. Yes, I'll be working on that later. For now, I'll be doing Sonic.exe. Comment down below if you want another Sonic.exe video. If you want part 1 of Sonic.exe, that's what I'm doing. I'll just make this guy. Yeah. 51. I never knew 51. But there's also posted area 51, which means that is where right now when you play as a player and try to survive some dudes that will kill you. There's Anointed Name called Chapter 1. Drastically. Now, we're best in ako naman nung kasali yung pagkakataon na binigay sa akin ko yung parang gusto kong uupo kami. Appreciate yung papa niyo. Magawa na siya ng limon para makausap ko. Malaking bagay po yung nasasandalan ka na kaibigan kayo. I'll just tell this guy. Brother, big forever. This is your job. What? You will be working incognito. What? Text me. You prove us a thing, you finish us a thing. If you get lost, this will be text label. Wait. Nandito tayo dahil namin ang objective. Ang objective ay kung may target. Okay ba tayo? Kahit pa talaga target ako, ginagamit ko yung pa ko. Ako kasi hindi lang utak ang ginagamit ko. Mahalaga para sa akin ang misyon na ito at magkaiba ang gawin akong batayan hindi ka. Pero kung mahalaga sa ito, just not gonna ask. Well, I think I'm just gonna kind of strong. There will also be where Sonic.exe 1 was closed. If you can hear me, then let's hear us. I will tell you first year student from Central Philippine University. I'm just gonna play some right now. Kapag break ko, ay umuwi ako sa amin kasi nang-miss ko ang family ko, pati na rin ang beach. Wait, that's not. Wait. Dito po ako sumusulat ng mga kanta at gumagawa ng mga vlogs. You can also have this small voice like this. If you die, gusto ko siyang mabigyan ng mas maayos na at mapasaya. And I'm just gonna. This is just part 1, but I'm not gonna do this, but here's a teaser for the thing.
I've been working on, and Lilypad will be next soon because I don't know why, but it's still coming soon, and Lilypad doesn't do anything.
There's still on my eyes, you go where you shine. Swing your hand to there's no one alive. You know it's not kind I was passing by. Now that the studio dashes one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. Into my eyes, like you said, you make me wanna cry. Now that the studio dashes one more time.
Also, it's just a short video. Maybe not. Full video coming soon, and Sonic.exe, see, animated movie, not or animated trailer series coming soon. Yeah, and also Ayaka Pop and I think this was the end of the video, but I'm not gonna post this again. But thanks for watching, and I'll be finishing this one for tomorrow, and yeah, bye. We'll get out.